Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Backpacktrader training room. Crude oil inventory report session for March 29th, 2023. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. This type of trading carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds that you can afford to do without. All right. Less than a minute before the report. We have spotlight 8-tick range bar on the right, large chart, unleaded 20-tick range bar on the left. Also spotlight, and on the upper left and the lower left is crude 377 tick counterpunch. And the report is out. Okay, that's better. I got 5 people in here, and that's okay. Now my monitor's working. That's what I was worried about. No, nothing was showing up. All right. 40 seconds to go. Good morning again, Jeff. Flat on unleaded. 30 seconds to go. Yeah, I suppose this is a get in sync long. It's right at the session high. I think I would push that to 29 to make it push through that prior session high. Only a 2-tick adjustment, not going to make the key level adjustment there. So that's going to push the money management a couple more ticks higher. And we're in our session and we are long. And we have a stop and reverse to short at 22. And with that swing level, I'd take that down to 21. And stopping and reversing. Oh, that's interesting. It says it's flat. Didn't close out the... Oh, that's because I didn't move... Whoops. That's because I didn't move my stop. All right, target 2. And our money management would have been at 11, which is also target 2. And target 3. Unleaded also getting it done with a quick short trade. Normal hours for the trade room Leonard are 9:30 Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then we do the crude oil inventory session Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, depending on when it falls. Either 10:30 on Wednesday is typically the schedule. Monday holidays, it'll be 11 o'clock on Thursday. And once in a great while, when there's more than one issue going on, it will be on Fridays at 11 o'clock. I've only seen it be Friday one time, I think once or maybe twice in the 7 or 8 years I've been dealing with it. All right, so we went 21 from, I said 29, 8 ticks, loss of 16, we get 10, and yeah, we get 10 and 15 for 25, so that's POQ on crude. Now what happened over here on 377 tick? Looks like the 377 tick picked up a nice... Okay, there's 1032. And the short trade canceled, looks like. This one also canceled. Then we pick up the short at 1033. That goes for 10 ticks to target 2. Yep, 774.23 goes 10 ticks to target 2. And we are still trailing. No, there's the stop out at 74.01 from 74.23. 22 ticks on the trailer, 32 ticks. POQ on the 377 tick. Unleaded, that was not a whole lot of activity, but boy, once it did, it really moved nicely. 15 seconds on that bar. Hopefully you got into that. If you're trading unleaded. Target 1 was 14, target 2 was 23. Wasn't a big trade, but trailing now, let's see, the entry was 897 and the trailing stop right now is 776. So we're 121 ticks and I believe it just stopped out. Yep, it just touched 776. 121 ticks on the trailer to go along with either 14 or 23 on target. But a nice winning trade, and all three charts going, actually the unleaded and the 377 tick going one and done, two and done on Spotlight, and we are done. Which platform, Leonard? You're quite welcome, Pamela. Are you on TradeStation or are you on NinjaTrader? Yeah, I understand that. Okay, you're on Ninja, so that's what I'm projecting. All right, this is Spotlight, but I can actually look at you. Yeah, we can look at that right here because this is Counterpunch. So I'll look. This is a 377 tick on the full Counterpunch, but not particularly different. Let's see the calculator. You can go to the calculator. Actually, no. You're to get your plot on the trend indicator. I don't have that running on there. So let's see. That's the MA here. So we'll put that in. And you want to go down to the plots, expand the plot for the, and you take your line width here. It defaults to 1, which is what I'm showing there now. You can see what that looks like on the chart right here, where my cursor is. And if we take that to 2, and apply it, you see it just got bigger. So that's your line weight in NinjaTrader, is your plot width. And that's true for your dots, the hashes, all of that. If you go into the plot section, either in the calculator or in your displays, for things that are displayed in the calculator, your trade setups, the trailer, trade tracking, so forth, all of those are going to be in the calculator. The trend indicator is going to be the MA. You can do the same with the high trend chop in second panel. Your EMAs, ticks left, etc. So that's, oh, I did have it in there. Never mind. Let me get rid of that. There it was. And I did have that. No, it's at 1. You're quite welcome, Jeff. You're welcome, Leonard. And guys, you can use the plots section in your indicators to set your plot size for any of the indicators, be it moving averages, the trend indicator, the HT chop, the trade setups in the calc. That's how you set the line weights or dot sizes, what have you, for all of them. That was a quick session. Any other questions? All right, folks. Well, that's all there is for today. That was a quick crude session. All three charts going POQ within about 10 minutes. Or actually, let's see. We took 3 minutes on the spotlight crude. We took almost 6 minutes before we stopped out of the counterpunch trade, and nine minutes on unleaded gas. So quick work of it on all three charts, and we'll see everybody tomorrow, 9:30 Thursday morning.